Oh my goodness. But this is the second to the last day of school and everybody passed, so they're all crazy. Oh my goodness. Bradley, come here. Oh God, you guys are so weird.